Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best mini fridge storage rack on the market, the Rexmica Mini Fridge Organizer. If you're looking to maximize the space around your fridge, whether at home, in your dorm, or at the office, this organizer is designed to transform your refrigerator's exterior into an efficient storage solution. The Rexmica Mini Fridge Organizer measures 59 by 12 inches, making it compatible with most household and dorm refrigerators that have a top length under 22 inches. This size ensures it can fit a wide range of fridge models without overwhelming your kitchen space. One of the standout features of this organizer is its thoughtfully designed multiple pockets. It includes 5 large pockets and 3 mesh pockets, perfect for storing cutlery, plates, forks, spices, napkins, plastic cups, and other kitchen essentials. There's even a large pocket with an opening in the middle, ideal for holding vacuum sealer bags or trash bag rolls, plus a hanging strip designed specifically for plastic wrap rolls or kitchen towels. This multi-pocket design helps keep your frequently used items within easy reach and neatly organized. Made from durable nylon material with a smooth finish, the Rexmica Mini Fridge Organizer comes with a waterproof coating to protect it from spills and stains, making it easy to clean and maintain. Another practical design element is the non-slip feature. The organizer has 2 pairs of 1.5-inch wide hook and loop strips with adhesive backing that firmly secure it to your fridge, preventing any unwanted sliding or shifting even if the weight inside the pockets is uneven. The space-saving aspect of this organizer cannot be overstated. By utilizing the outer space of your fridge, you can free up valuable countertop or cabinet space, keeping your kitchen or dorm room tidy and clutter-free. It's a smart choice for anyone wanting to stay organized and get the most out of limited space. Weighing just under a pound, this lightweight organizer is easy to install and remove, making it convenient for anyone who might need to move it or wash it regularly. The gray color option blends well with most fridge finishes, adding a sleek and practical touch without drawing too much attention. In summary, the Rexmica Mini Fridge Organizer offers a versatile, durable, and well-thought-out solution to fridge storage challenges. Its multiple pockets, non-slip design, and waterproof nylon build make it the perfect accessory for dorms, offices, kitchens, or anywhere you need extra organization without sacrificing space. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in upgrading your fridge organization game, the Rexmica Mini Fridge Organizer is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth product reviews and insights. See you next time.